3, 2, 1.
What is the name of the second highest mountain in the world? The answer is A, K2. What is a can opener used for? The answer is A, opening cans. Which sitcom features the characters Ross, Rachel, Joey, Chandler, and Monica? The answer is A, Friends. Who is known as the father of modern management and applied psychological principles to management? The answer is B, Frederick Taylor. Who was the first president to visit Japan? The answer is D, Eisenhower. The ends of linear chromosomes are maintained by the action of which enzyme? The answer is A, telomerase. What corrosive substances capable of dissolving many metals can cause contamination if spilled? The answer is A, acids. In what country did the Castillo Branco cheese originate? The answer is D, Portugal. What type of bond does H2O have? The answer is B, covalent bond. Which vegetable can be found in a ratatouille dish? The answer is C, eggplant. In which part of Israel is the beautiful city of Haifa situated? The answer is D, north. Where does the Earth get its energy from? The answer is B, sun. Students are investigating the effects of different fertilizers on plant growth. Which units would be best to measure the mass of the fertilizer used? The answer is C, grams. I'm the fastest marathon ever run, completed in less than an hour. What is he? The answer is D, Roger Bannister. What has a tongue that can't taste, eyes that can't see, and a heart that doesn't beat? The answer is A, stone. What was the name of the guy Buffy slept with in season 4 of the series, then got rejected by? The answer is A, Parker. What happened to Coco Chanel when she was 12? The answer is D, her mother died of tuberculosis. What orifice in the body is particularly helpful in both digestion and respiration? The answer is A, mouth. What is defined as a phasic change in muscle tone? The answer is C, spasticity. What does the stomach produce to help digest food? The answer is D. Hydrochloric acid. Species divergence often, but not always, occurs because of what type of barrier between species? The answer is C. Physical. What is the only landlocked country in South America? The answer is A. Bolivia. 3 of these movies are set in Pittsburgh, which is the odd one. The answer is B. Good Will Hunting 1997. Which president was known as Honest Abe? The answer is A. Abraham Lincoln. In what opera would you find L.T. Pinkerton? The answer is A. Madame Butterfly. Who served as the Mets pitching coach in 1986? The answer is D. Mel Stottlemyre. In what year was Jeff Hardy released from WWE because of his erratic behavior, drug use, and refusal to go to rehab? The answer is D. 2003. What is the name of the house elf who warned Harry Potter of not going back to school? The answer is A. Dobby. How many holes are there on a traditional paint palette? The answer is B. 1. What is the wavelength of visible light with a frequency of 4x1014 Hz? The answer is C. 600 nm. Which dessert has the highest temperature recorded on Earth? The answer is A. Sahara. An unbalanced force on an object in motion causes what? The answer is B. Acceleration. What European director created the 1984 movie Paris, Texas, which was named after a U.S. city of the same name? The answer is D. Wim Wenders. Idaho is one of many states divided by 2 different time zones. Which part of the state is in the Pacific time zone? The answer is C. Northern. What is the primary component of a computer that stores information in non-volatile memory? The answer is C. Hard drive. What is the term for decomposers that consume dead leaves, animal feces, and other organic debris collected on the ground or at the bottom of water? The answer is C. Detritivores. What lays an egg with a hard shell? The answer is D. Burr. What is the cause of behavioral difference between populations? The answer is D. Genetic differences. A tropism where light is the stimulus is known as what? The answer is A. Phototropism. Who discovered penicillin, saving countless lives? The answer is B. Newton. Which item is for drawing detailed designs? The answer is B. Crayon. What is the name of the first woman to be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1905? The answer is B. Bertha von Suttner. In the book of Daniel, what did King Darius decree would happen if anyone prayed to any god or person, except for him for a period of 30 days? The answer is D. They would be thrown into the lion's den. What term describes the amount of material present in an object? The answer is A. Mass. Which organ filters blood and removes waste products? The answer is B. Kidney. Ancient Greeks mistook what simple sedentary animals for plants? The answer is A. Sponges. Where does most geologic activity take place? The answer is D. Plate boundaries. What is the gestation period of a dolphin? The answer is D. Varies by species. Why does Ollie climb a ladder to the roof of the house in the movie Hog Wild? The answer is A. To put up an aerial. Which river is known as the Father of Waters?